Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today we got a good one. The Supra is back. So we're gonna go over it. My boy Rob, he's done a little bit of work to it. He's a little frustrated with the car. I'm a little frustrated with the car, but there's nothing wrong with the car, just the lack of support with the car right now. But the car looks so good right now. He just put some different wheels on it. He's got a new lip on it. Sorry, it looks good as hell. So let's show you guys how it looks. What are the plans on the car? Because he wants to do so much more to this car, but he's kind of stuck at the moment. So Toyota, he kind of said 2020, do whatever you want with the car, but 2021 they kind of put the lockdown on it and said y'all ain't doing nothing. So hopefully they can figure it out when it comes to more support, when it comes to tuning and everything else. But yep, but you guys check out this car. Check it out. Go. We got the Supra here. Got Rob. That's his car. He's got the Audi too, the RS3. So you people know. Remember that. He's got an RS3. So. Alright, Rob. So far, he hasn't been able to do a crazy amount because, like I said, he's got a little bit of the lack of support, but I figured he can make it look pretty. And he's made it look pretty. God damn, he made it look pretty. So, we got a lip. What lip is this?
This lip comes from F1 Motorsports. You can buy it in color match or carbon. We got the carbon here.
That sucker is clean. Rob has a little bit of problem with carbon fiber, just so y'all know.
Maybe a little
bit, but that sucker look good.
It does change the front of the car a lot.
Yeah, it does.
It goes right over your stock. You don't have to even drill. It's all 3M, and then on the sides here, it has some lips, some little hooks, and inside there the lip hooks into that, and so that's how it locks in place. And then of course 3M tape on it.
Look at that, and it's you haven't had no problems with it, right? Holds it just fine.
No.
It looks like it's on there. That sucker ain't going nowhere.
There for a while, and you know it is super low. But if you don't like low,
well,
that's one of the other things.
That's the price you pay to look good sometimes, you know. So the next, he just put these on last week, and I was like, all right, we're doing a video because that car looks good as hell now. Because he was running stock for a while.
I did.
He was running stock for a while. So, but he went like next level now, and he put these. So,
yeah. Explain
the wheels, because I'm new to these.
TE37s, Volks wheels or racing. Really popular in the Japanese JDM community. And then I went with 19 by 9.5 in the front and 19 by 10.5 in the back, and that's the way it is now. It doesn't have center caps yet, which is very common, but they don't.
Yeah,
they'll be here soon enough.
Yeah, I learned that with a lot of the JDM wheels. I guess it's like with the Inkies on my car, you got a center cap you got to buy if you want. Yeah. So I guess he's got to buy them too, but they just look good. These suckers are meaty too. I like lip wheels. I do. I've never done them on the Mustang, but one day maybe I'll do it. But damn, this car looks good. This is a 2021 A91 edition, right?
Correct.
And unfortunately, with it being a 2021, he can't tune it.
Yeah.
He wants to tune
Well,
it.
it's technically not that it's a 2021. Is that at some point Toyota decided we're gonna just not support or not let it be unlocked, the ECU. And I think after June 20th, which this is what this falls in, they lock the ECUs a certain way where they can't be unlocked. There's people working on them, and there's a couple, but if your ECU date is before June 6/20, you can have it tuned to 2021. Unfortunately, this one is not, so I gotta wait. But until then, like he said, I'm just gonna make it look as pretty as possible.
It's not like he got a slow car, so he got another car that's a little faster at the house.
The next thing will be exhaust for it, though.
Yes,
It's very quiet.
it needs exhaust because the car looks so aggressive now, and it's like it needs some rumble.
Yeah, it does.
And so yeah, it's still stock. Even though these don't sound bad, stock exhaust. They're actually pretty. They're not loud, but they're not quiet for a stock exhaust setup.
It's very burbly, but you have to stay in that 3,000 to 4,000 RPM, and you can hear the burbles. But open throttle, it's very quiet. It's like
It's just a clean car though. Yeah. I've said before, I wasn't a huge fan of these cars when they first came out. Like the back, I love the back of the car is gorgeous, but the front now with that lip just gives it a little more aggressive look. And I like the car. I've driven the car. The car is awesome. I think Toyota and BMW, because it's two. So I think they did a great job with the car, and I wish there would be more support now, especially for these new ones. I don't know why they gave these guys a little more horsepower, and they said they just locked it up.
Locked the ECU.
And
I'm sure somebody will unlock it.
Because what's the power difference between the 2020 and 2021? It's a decent amount.
It's about 40 horsepower.
That's a decent amount from like 1 year to another.
Usually when manufacturers do that, they got a 10 horsepower difference.
Yeah.
Like, but now 40 is a big number. Like, oh wow.
But this is awesome, guys. It's a beautiful car, and he's done. What else did you do? I know you did. These are what you did. These are the little inserts, because these cars have a big complaints with the wind buffering.
The wind buffering. So I went with the matte AMS. These are from AMS. Wind buffer, only because I wanted to match like the A91.
Okay.
Vinyl. You know, yes, I have gloss carbon here and matte.
Oh no, the haters.
That I just wanted to match this, and then that would match the front, and of course the rear wing is carbon. But yeah, honestly, the buffering, you get it like around 70 miles an hour.
Is it more hype than actually how bad it is, or is it pretty bad?
It can get, like, it depends. So like if you're around other vehicles, it's not that bad. But wide open, like if there's nobody around you, yes, it can get like,
even like both windows open and everything.
Both windows open, you can hear like, I don't know if it's because in the back it's just not got enough room to ventilate or whatever, but any coupe that you buy like this, they're gonna have buffering.
Yeah,
I don't care,
even my little GTI will buffer if I have one window open, it'll definitely buffer. If I have both, and if I'm going a certain speed, it'll even buffer more. I have to crack the back windows.
Same thing with the RS3.
What else? You've done something else on the inside too, right?
Yeah, I added so the car comes with, if you see the carbon fiber there.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah, so I added, these come silver.
Ooh, those are nice.
So I added these in because just to match.
Yeah, I know. It's carbon, bro. I know how it is. It's carbon.
It'll get some other stuff in here as well. Like I'll get a carbon insert for the dash. I did put the Supra. You might have to go around carbon on the bottom of the Supra.
Okay.
On the steering wheel.
Oh, I see it. Yeah, that looks good. The car looks good, I think.
And then of course, it is lowered on H&R.
Yeah,
so
it's on H&R springs. Yeah, me and him and Javi and me, we put it on the car. We had never worked on this car. Front easy, back a little more pain in the ass.
Just the leveling sensor.
Those leveling sensors were a bitch to take out. Now I remember, because
but the problem is, like, I've seen a lot of people on the forums that the leveling sensor is not right. The car would throw a ton of codes. Yeah. And then the speed won't work.
Yeah, we were trying to make sure we weren't breaking, because we didn't want to break anything. And man, those things, it took us a minute to get them out, but we got them out. But man, no, the car looks absolutely gorgeous, guys. And so that's it, guys. I just want to give you guys a quick update with the car. I want to thank Rob for bringing it out, because he's always down to make videos with us. He's got some great cars, and why not? He wants to have more fun with this car, make it a little quicker, downpipe, do all the fun stuff. But just kind of stuck at the moment. So I figure,
Once
heck,
the support comes,
it'll come. It has to come. It always comes. So sometimes it just takes time.
But
But
now we might just be buying a whole ECU.
Hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. So there it is, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give us a like, comment, let me know what you guys think about the Supra. It's just a beautiful car. So you guys be careful out there. Take care of yourselves. We'll see y'all later.